video, showing y'all like the inside, showing y'all the outside, stuff like that. But I really do like it though, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm trying not to curse, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna lie. But I really do rock with it though, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be hella videos coming. Like if y'all ain't really peeped yet, I already been posting almost every day. You know what I'm saying? I've been hella consistent ever since I got this bad boy. But I ain't even put that many miles on it though. I only put like 100 miles on it since I got it. So yeah, I don't drive this to work, you know what I'm saying? I still got my daily, so I like to save those miles and stuff. Put them on my daily instead. But yeah, y'all, I ain't really gonna talk too much. I'ma get back when I start cutting up. And what I mean by cutting up, before some of y'all get in the comments talking about saying, you ain't cutting up, nigga, shut up. What I mean by cutting up is just like letting y'all hear the exhaust. That's really it. So
say hitting 100 ain't scary as shit. It be having my whole body tight, but it's just about the confidence. You gotta be confident. You can't be scared, because that's how you can wreck. That's why I don't talk when I'm going that fast, because I'm tight right now. But I gotta focus.
Tight as fuck. Tight as hell. I be my old car, I never hit 100. The most I did was like 90.
There's too many cars still.
I know, that's why I'm probably gonna go back and hit Alvin. Yeah. Might not be that much. But it's 10:30.
It's also Tuesday night though. Those are usual date nights. I'm telling you, Taco Tuesday, $6 movie deals. Like, people be out. Every time.
But yeah, we're good YouTube. So it's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed that little session, you feel me? It's probably the, you know what I'm saying, the most fun I have with my car since I got it. But hey, if y'all made it to this point of the video, I just want y'all to say we made it. You know what I'm saying? And just because y'all made it to this point, I got something for y'all.